What's up everybody? Welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. I get a lot of the question how to water your trees. So today I'm gonna show you how I water my indoor bonsai. So first of all, your bonsai is best to keep outside and then water when it's needed. For indoor and outdoor, actually the same rules apply. You have to make a balance with oxygen and water so that the tree becomes healthy. In indoor here in the Netherlands, difficult, especially if you have the radiator that have become a very dry area. You have to keep attention. So what I do, I water the tree only when the soil is completely dry. As you can see here, the soil now is completely dry from this tree. And then I take this tree inside my kitchen sink like this, and I water it like you can see here, and I wait until the soil becomes completely wet. And then you can take a look underneath the pot if the drainage holes are coming water out. If not, then you have to water it again. So you wait to see if the water comes out of the drainage holes. So here you can see that now it's coming water from the drainage holes. So now the tree is watered correctly. If you have a smaller tree than this one, you can also choose to fill the sink. And that's a easier way than how I'm doing right now, to fill the sink with water, and then you put the whole tree inside the completely filled with water. Then you know for sure that the whole pot is watered correctly. So, and that's a more safer way to do it if you're not sure if you gave enough water or not. And now that it becomes, we're almost getting into the spring, the watering becomes more frequently, because also the indoor tree has a clock inside, so they know that they are starting to grow. So they will consume more water than during the winter. So pay attention that the frequency of water when you getting into the spring, it will become more often. So now I water almost every week all my indoor trees. So pay attention to the trees, look into the soil. It's not like a fixed rule every once in 2 or 3 weeks, but sometimes you have to water in 4 days or 5 days. So that's important that you always keep an eye on your tree to see if it's in need of water or not. But it's best to wait until the soil is completely dry, so that it gets enough air into the roots, and then you water it completely throughout, so that you create this good balance between water and oxygen. Short video. I'll place this tree back where it was now. The water came out, so I dry the pot. If you have any questions about watering your indoor tree or your bonsai, leave it in the comment, and I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.